Welcome to another episode of PSLE Science Made Simple. My name is Jolie and I'm a PSLE Science Specialist from the Pique Lab. Now in this video, I'll be analysing a past year examination question on the topic of light. I've included this question in the handout which you can download for free by clicking on the link in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get started.
Study the diagram shown below. Sarah knows that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. She observed and recorded the timings of the shadows formed by the coconut tree at different times of the day. Now, which one of the following shows the correct timings when the shadows are formed? For these types of questions, the easiest method to approach this question is by looking for the shortest shadow, which is the shadow formed at B. Now we also notice that the shadow form is directly below the tree, which means that the sun is at the highest point of the sky. So what time is the sun the highest in the sky? It is actually noon or 12 p.m. This is when the shortest shadow is formed as well. That means that the shadow formed by the coconut tree at B must have been cast at noon. Now for A, we notice that the shadow is tilted towards the left. So the trick is to know that if the shadow of the tree is cast on the left, the light source, which is the sun, must have been shining on the right, the opposite side. So if the sun is on the right, it means that the sun is rising from the east towards the highest point in the sky. This means that shadow A must have been formed before 12 p.m. and must have occurred in the morning. For C, we notice that the shadow is tilted towards the right. So if the shadow of the tree is cast on the right, the light source, which is the sun, must have been shining on the left. So if the sun is on the left, it means that the sun is setting towards the west, away from the highest point in the sky. This means that shadow B must have been formed after 12 p.m. and must have occurred in the afternoon. So with this information, we should be able to get our answer. Remember, for A, it needs to be in the morning. That means we cannot have 9 p.m. as an answer. 10 a.m. is possible, and 10 p.m. is at night. It's definitely not in the morning. So we're left with option 2 and 3. Now remember, for B, it has to happen at 12 noon. That means number 2 is correct. Number 3 is wrong. Not 12 midnight, not 12 a.m. And then finally, we double check our answer with C. For C, it has to occur in the afternoon at 2 p.m. Is that correct? Yes. So answer would be number 2.
Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up. If you want to check out the other videos we have made, do click on the links on the right hand side. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!